everyone, Michelle from the Qik Kids support team with a quick tip regarding what to do if a child's booking is changing. If this is a permanent ongoing change, the existing booking pattern must be ended to preserve the attendance history. To end a booking, you will highlight the existing booking and click Edit. Select the end date. This can be in the future if the family have given you advance notice of changes. By ticking the Exited button, you can then record the reason for the booking ending. To create the new booking pattern, you will select New. You will then need to select carer or role, the child's name, the status, whether they'll be on the wait list or placed, the frequency, casual, weekly or fortnightly, the beginning date, the days of attendance, and then OK. We hope this quick tip was helpful.